Hi guys, it's Tracy and I am back with another Boxycharm video, and this box is the premium box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's kind of like a makeup skincare mystery box. And now this is the $35 one, and I also have a $25 one that I haven't received yet. And I do pay for these myself. No one gives me anything for free. These are all my own thoughts and opinions. So just went to a doctor's appointment and I got home and my box was here. So we're gonna see what's in it and if it's worth the money, and we're gonna see if they charged me, or no, last month I think I got shortchanged. Yeah, we'll see if we got our dollar value in this one or if it's not a good value. So yeah, that sounds good to you. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Hope you think about subscribing before you leave if you like beauty hauls, deals, boxes, that kind of stuff. So yeah, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And today on my eyes, I have the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. A super basic nude, your everyday, like I just used 2 shades today. I think 2 or 3. Yeah, I'll use 3. I started out with this one here, and then I put this in the outer V, and then I put this one on my lid. So it took me like 5 minutes. It was super quick because I didn't want to do anything magical for my doctor. So let's see what is in the box. This is how it comes. And let's see, this month is Boxycharm Flourish. And this is variation C210527PM. I guess the PM is for premium, maybe, I'm guessing. So let me get my handy dandy calculator ready, and we will see what is up. First thing I'm picking up here is by LaRousse. Never heard of this brand. Let's see, this is On The Go Set. Get ready to cover all the bases with this set. 3-piece set comes with a dense dome brush for foundation or contour, powder brush or for highlighter or blush, and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. $96, and this is what they send it to you in, is a envelope. I'd be kind of mad if I spent $96. Let's see what they look like. I'm just adding that into the calculator. So we have like a, here's Mister, you inspecting the box for us? Is it good? So you just get like a little angled brush, nothing groundbreaking. And then this one is really soft. Hello. So you could probably, I don't know, would you use it for blush? I guess you could use it for, maybe cream blush would be good. I don't know. You don't have to use it for what they tell you to use. You can use it for anyway, right? You do what you want. And it has nice, the handles are really nice on them. So it seems good. I mean, I don't know what else you could use this for. They're super soft, so always good to get brushes. Can we have the next item, please? This is a repeat from last month's boxes because I already saw these in boxes last month. These are not a good value, I know that. Let's see, Lux and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup remover pads, and they say these are $20. 96 plus 20. And if you're paying $20 for 4 of these things, you're crazy, because you can buy they even have these on Shop Miss A now. I got a set of, I want to say 20 for like $8. And then it comes with a little bag like this. I bought another set on Amazon, which I like even better, and you got 16 in it with a little zippered bag. And I've had those, been using those for months and months and months, and they are really nice. So these, let's see. These just feel like terry cloth. Like They're like the ones that I have that are bamboo. The one side is super, super smooth, and then the other side is a little bit rougher. So I don't know if I would want to use these around my eyes necessarily, because I usually use the rougher side like on my pores when I'm using like a toner to kind of get anything out. So $20 for these, I say, is a no-go, but I'll still use them. So they do have some value. And then my choice item here was this Royal Tulip Nectar. I've been hearing everybody that got it sent to them ahead of time say how much they love it. So we will see. I hope I love it. And this is, let's see what it says about it. Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar. It says this healing ointment to serum hydrator soothes, nourishes, and helps repair the skin's barrier. Powered by proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a bouquet of earth-enforced botanicals applied anywhere your skin needs extra love. Try it as a moisturizing sleep mask. 65 bucks. Wow. And I think everybody, well, this was a choice item, so you may or may not get it, I guess. Are you supposed to leave these little things in the stoppers when you get product that have it in there? Because I always was curious, because sometimes I throw it out because it's just a pain. But this is really weird, oof. Really weird, oof, texture that just spilled out. What's that? It says it was a creamy. Let's see, we'll try it on my nails. They always need extra love. Feels like an oil. Huh. It's like a jelly. Like you stick your finger in it and it makes a hole. I guess you guys can't see it because I don't want to get it all over everything, and I don't have anything to wipe my hands off now. So it has a little stopper, and we'll see how it works. $65. Yikes. Okay, and then Odysite. I got the eye makeup remover of this. BL+C Pimples and Black Cumin Cajeput Serum Concentrate, formulated especially for problem skin with a potent help to reduce the appearance of blemishes. Like, why would they send a 50-year-old something for pimples? Like, really? I mean, like, that's crazy. And this is $36. But, like, you're gonna send me stuff for pimples? Like, I don't have pimples. And it's like a super tiny little bottle. Look at that. Wow. I hate when they don't, like, I mean, if you looked at the profile that people fill out when they say how old they are and that their skin concerns are anti-aging, I wouldn't think you'd be sending person things for pimples. It says put it in your night, 2 to 3 drops, and supports a fresh, clean complexion, visibly free of blemishes. I mean, I'll like see if anyone wants it, because my daughter, she specifically only uses, like, I think she's on Paula's Choice right now. So we'll see what happens. And then, can I help you? Excuse me? Yes? Yes? Okay. And then this was another choice item, and I just got this last month, and the other choice like did not appeal to me whatsoever. So I kind of felt like I had to take this because I wouldn't really use the other stuff. And I actually just put that on my face today, like a moisturizer, the other one that I got last month, because I haven't been wearing foundation much. So this is $35. And we have one product left, which is from Bite Beauty. This is their Agave Daytime Lip Balm, and it says it's a clean, vegan, lanolin-free moisturizing lip balm that hydrates up to 8 hours with a luxurious glide and no waxy feel. $16. So my box totaled up to $268 this month. So I heard people say that they changed the formula on the Bite Beauty things because you notice it said lanolin free, and I think the lanolin was what everybody liked about it, what has made it, you know, feel really good to the lips. So that is, boy, that's not a lot of product. Of $16, I could fly through this thing because I'm always putting moisturizer on my lips. So this is a good thing. I mean, this is not the best box I've gotten, and there's no eyeshadow palette. You'd think with the premium, well, I guess they had the choice. You could have picked I think you could have picked this or the Lady Gaga palette probably. And I just figured that was just kind of a basic palette, so I didn't choose that one. But it's a pretty decent box for $35. This stuff feels really nice, but it's very like greasy feeling. It doesn't feel like a serum. It's like oily. Like if I touch anything, the oil's gonna, here we go. The oil is gonna, you know, get on everything. So I recorded a video yesterday, and let's see, $268. Let me see it. Maybe I can show you guys. This video has been sitting here like this. If you guys can see, it just says like uploading, and it says minutes left, 8. And then it'll do the uploading, and then it'll say processing, and then it'll say like it says 3% right now. And then I turn around, I look back, and it says 0%. So I'm so frustrated because I don't know what else to do. Like, do all of you guys that upload videos have this problem? Because this video has been sitting here uploading since yesterday, and I've never had that happen before. I use iMovie, and in iMovie, you used to be able to upload directly to YouTube. There was a YouTube icon at the thing when you want to save the video or upload the video or whatever you want to do with it. There used to be a YouTube spot, and that spot is gone. I don't know what happened to it. So now I've only been able to go to the YouTube site and hit the plus sign at the bottom to upload. So I don't know why it's, you know, taking so long. So I haven't been doing beauty deals because the video's not loading. And by the time it loads, it's like Sunday or Monday. So today is Wednesday at 2 o'clock. So we'll see once I put this in. You can judge by when this uploads, you can judge how long it took the video. And the one that's uploading right now, I recorded it yesterday afternoon. So it's been 24 hours and it's still like acting like it's buffering or uploading, or I don't know what it's doing. So if any of you guys have any suggestions, I have a laptop too, but I don't really know how to do the card, the SIM card or whatever, the card that's in my camera. I don't even know what I'm saying. Like the card that's in my camera, I don't know how to take that and put it into my laptop and do it that way. I don't know if that would be quicker. So if anybody out there can help me, like please send help, SOS, please. Thank you. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this Boxycharm Premium. I am still waiting for my my base box. And I did end up receiving the Violet Voss hashtag palette. I got that. And I got the other 2 items that I ordered were pharmacy brand. And I thought it was weird because they said that you won't get your products right away because they're gonna come with your box. Those 2 orders, they put it in 2 orders and they sent 2 different boxes, and it wasn't with my order. I thought that was the idea, that it was saved for them for shipping, because they said it would be included in your box. And it wasn't included. It was a whole, they even did the order in 2 separate boxes. So I don't know what they're doing. If they're using that as an excuse for taking a month to ship it out, that was the only thing I could think of, is maybe they're just using that to give themselves a month to gather the product or to ship out, or I don't know. So if you placed orders with the pop-up or no, it was add-ons. If you place those orders, they'll probably be coming separate from your boxes, just an FYI. So, okay, we're at 21% loading, uploading 21%, minutes remaining 6. So I'm gonna go upload this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you are so inclined, leave me a comment below. And if you are a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. Old subscribers, thank you for returning. Made it all the way to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.